Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Dear students, as in our previous lecture we have learned about the complementary angles. Now today we are going to start the supplementary angles. So open your booklet page number 78. Let's start. What are the supplementary angles? What is a supplementary angle? Two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. That is, the angle lies on a straight line. Got it? What is supplementary angle? Two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. As in complementary angle, I taught you that sum of the angles in complementary should be equal to 90 degree, and in supplementary the sum of the angle should be equal to 180 degree. So two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180 degree, and the supplementary angle, the shape, the figure of the supplementary angle is like the straight line, because 180 degree is actually the straight line angle. Okay, now come to the example of the supplementary angle. First example is, as you can see in the first figure, there are two angles. One angle is for 80 degree and second angle is for 100 degree. So 100 plus 80 is equal to 180, like here 100 plus 80 is equal to 180 degree. It means the sum of these two angles is equal to 180. The sum of the angles is equal to 180 degree. This one is the first angle and this one is the second angle. The space between these two arms represents the 80 degree, and space between these two arms represent the 100 degree angle. So sum of the 80 degree angle and 100 degree angle is equal to 180 degree. Now second example is 120 degree and 60 degree. This first angle, this angle is for 60 degree and this second angle is for 20 degree. So 120 and 60. Let's check what's the sum. 100 plus 60. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 and 1. So we got 180. The sum 180. It means the sum of the 60 and 120 is equal to 180. It means this one is a supplementary angle. The first space of the first angle, space between the first two arms and space between these two arms, this space of the between these arms represent the 60 degree, and this space between two arms represent the 120 degree. So the sum of 60 and 120 is equal to 180. It means this is a supplementary angle. These two angles are supplementary because their sum is 180 degree. Come to the third one. In third figure, as you can see, one angle is of 135 and second angle is for 45 degree. So 135 and 45. Let's check what's the total. So 135 plus 45. Let's check the sum. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 carry. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 1. So the sum is 180. It means these two angles are supplementary angles because their sum is equal to 180 degree. The space between these two arms represent the 135 degree angle, and space between these two arms actually represent the 45 degree. So 135 plus 45, the total sum is equal to 180. That's why these angles are called supplementary angles. Now with the help of protractor, I will show you how you can check whether this angle is supplementary or not. Okay, let's start. Firstly, I will draw a line for the angle. This one is the line. Okay, now use the protractor for the correct way. Like the origin of the protractor should be at the top of the vertex. I am using this A point. It's up to you whether you are using A point or B point. Here I am using A point. Now in this A point I want to construct the supplementary angles. Let's start. As in the first example, our first angle is for 80 degree and second angle is for 100 degree. I will construct these two angles. Okay, so let's start the 80 degree angle. Okay, now I'm going to start. The origin is at the top of the vertex and the arm of the angle is along with the baseline of the protractor. As I told you, when you are constructing, you want to construct the angle at point A, you will use this right side of the protractor and you will use these lower degrees for the construction of the angle. Why? Because as I told you in the previous lecture, by use of this compass, that suppose these are the arms of the angle and this one is the vertex of the angle. So when you are using this A point, you are actually going to open this arm. The movement of this arm is actually the angle, the space of represent the angle. So this arm is actually in the 0 degree at the starting point. So when you are going to open this arm to construct the angle, actually you are using these degrees along with 0. So we will, in the right side, we will use these lower degrees, inside degrees of the protractor. Now as our angle is of 80 degree, in the first example our angle is for 80 degree. So firstly you will check where is 80 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. So this one is 80 degree. So check the scale of 80 degree. This one is the scale for the 80 degree. So this dot actually represent the 80 degree. Now I will join these 2 points. This one is the angle for 80 degree. Okay, this one is the angle for 80 degree. This one is 80 degree. The space between these 2 arms actually represents the 80 degree. Now as I told you, for the supplementary angle, the sum of the angles should be equal to 180. So we have only 80. What should be the next angle to get the 180? Yes, the next angle should be equal to 100, because 100 plus 80 is equal to 180. So this one is our 80 degree angle. So we need to construct the second angle for 100 degree. How? Put your protractor over here for the 80 degrees along with this point and arm. This one is the 80 degree. Now you have to count the hundreds, as in the complementary angles. For complementary angles we use the protractor to construct the angles by use of these degrees. Same is here. After 80 we have to get 180. So we need to construct 10 more degrees. We have to construct 100 more degrees. So let's count. And we will count in tens. Okay, this one is the first 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one is our first 10. This one is the second 10. The space between each degree is equal to 10 degrees. So 10, 10. Then the next one. This one is the next 10. This one is the next 10. Then this one is the next 10. 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 And this one is the next 10. And this last one is again the next 10. Why I am using these tens? Just to complete the hundreds. And how many tens in 100? There are 10 tens in hundreds. So we are using the 10 degrees. Space between each degree is equal to 10 degrees. So to complete the 100 we have to use 10 degrees. 10 degrees for each space between each degree. degree is equal to 10 degrees. So to complete the 100 we are using 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because 10 is equal to 100. 10 is equal to 100. So this first one was the 80 degree. This first was the 80 degrees. So we will add 10 tens in 80. So 10 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 80 plus 100, these total tens are actually the 100 degrees. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So this one our 80, this one is our 80 degree. So 80 plus 100, 80 degree plus 100 degree is equal to, at the end here we are getting 180. Here at the end we are getting 180 degrees. Clear? Got it? So this one is our 80 degree angle and we are adding 100 more in 80. So 100 plus 80 is equal to 180 degree. Got it? So this one is actually our angle. So now we will join the line to get our 180 degree angle. Clear? So this one is our 80 degree angle, this one is our 100 degree angle, and the sum of both angles is equal to 180 degree. Got it? I hope so this one is now clear to you. Sum of the first angle and second angle should be equal to 180 degree, and as I told you that 180 degree angle is a straight line. So this one is a straight line. So like this you can also check these two other angles by use of the protractor. So for supplementary angle you should keep it in your mind that sum of the two angles should be equal to 180 degree, and that 180 degree angle is a straight line. As you can see over here, the 180 degree is a straight line. Hope so students, the concept of the supplementary angle is now clear. Now you can check these two examples by yourself with the help of protractor, and you can also construct different supplementary angles by use of protractor. Then you can check whether the sum is equal to 180 or not. So do the practice about the supplementary angles by yourself. For any problem, watch the video or you can also ask me. Thank you.